Wednesday, August 20th, 12:46 p.m. New York time. Welcome back, investors, to Winning Wall Street's Money. Yep, middle of the week, already halfway through the month. Going to go over the U.S. stock indexes, the major ones. Going to do a top down that includes multiple time frames, the monthly, the weekly, and the daily. Let's look at the year-to-date performance. Again, the S&P 500 stock index is the major go-to stock index where institutions and people that manage their own money typically want to compare their equity, aka stock performance, with the S&P 500 index. The S&P 500 stock index is comprised of several stock indexes, and I'm going to include those. I'll mention them here if you're not already aware of them. The NASDAQ 100, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the Dow Utilities, the Dow Transports, the Dow 100. Those indexes are inside the S&P 500. We will see those. And there's another stock index I'm going to show, the Russell 2000, the small caps. They have a representation in the U.S. economy. Those are the smaller businesses. They're not global, most of them. We can see how they're doing year to date. So these are three grids: the far right, monthly; the middle, the weekly; and the left, the daily. This is the S&P 500. Far right, look at the monthly. Yeah, all-time new high. Broke above the high of the prior month, smaller trading range. The middle, the weekly. Look at that, we're currently red and broke below the low of last week. And the far left, the daily. Look at the past few days. Lower highs, lower lows, trending down. We have gaps down here that have not been filled yet. So this right here, this today candle here at 12:48 p.m. won't be done till 4 p.m. New York time. But again, this is the Wednesday candle, Tuesday candle, Monday candle, Friday candle. My Patreon members, last week, I shared with them that I closed all my swing trade investment positions. I closed them all. Looking for the opportunity to reload on pullbacks. Go to the next major stock index, the NASDAQ 100. Far right, look at the monthly, all-time new high. The middle, look at the weekly, huge red candle, lower high, lower low. The trend is down. And the daily chart, same thing. The trend is down. We also have gaps down here that have not been filled yet. That's concerning. Now the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Yep, far right monthly, made that new high all time, and also broke below the low of last month. The weekly, this is the week made a new high and already rejecting it, made a low also. And the far left daily chart, look at those red candles, lower highs after making that high of yesterday, all-time high, and rejection. Bearish pin bar, concerning. Oh, we also have a gap here. That's the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Let's go on to the next. Oh, I actually wanted the Dow Transports, sorry. There we go. The Dow Transports, way below the highs of 2021, below the highs of 2024 on the far right. And look at this in the middle, weekly. Yeah, certainly below the highs of this year. And it's in a consolidation phase after this big impulse move down. And the daily chart. Today, red, lower low, lower high. Failed to even test all the way up here. That's the Dow transports. Let's go to the Dow utilities. All-time new high. Look at the far month. All right. And the middle grid, the weekly, lower highs, lower lows. Trend is down. And the far left daily chart forming a bearish pin bar. So again, short term, weeklies, they're trending down. Dailies, they're very trend. And let's go to the next. The Russell 2000. The small caps, still below the highs of last year. Haven't taken them out. And just shy of, it did make a new high right here for the year. And big rejection, big wick. And the far left chart, the daily, is trending down. So overall, the performance is terrible year to date. Yeah. So I'm going to put it back here on the daily. SPX trending down. NASDAQ 100 trending down. Dow Jones Industrial Average trending down. Dow Transports trending down. The only one is up above the prior day. Dow Utilities and the Russell 2000 trending down. Again, Dow Utilities is a stock index that pays high dividends. People gravitate to this index when they don't think the market's going to have growth. So they want to go with stocks that pay dividends. And that's what's happening. Thank you as always for spending just a little time with me. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.